everything is going to be used. This is like back in the day when we were really, really poor and all parts of the animal were eaten. Well, all parts of the Louis Vuitton package that I'm getting will be used. Alright, hold on. Now, I don't know if I have enough battery to record this, but we're going to start. I just received my Louis Vuitton wallet that I've been wanting for years. Like, I've been wanting this thing for years. So I was like, let me share with you guys what I got. And it's to go in my Louis Vuitton bag that I got last year. The reason why I got this wallet is because I was changing wallets all the time because they would rip, they would tear up, like, and start looking nasty. So I said, let me invest the money. Well, it's not really invest. Stop lying to myself. Let me stop lying to myself. It's not investing. Let me spend the money and get a good wallet that I know I'm going to love and keep for a while, because I really, really hated having to switch up my wallets and spend money all the time on switching up different things. So, and then I got a small wallet. I don't know why, because it couldn't fit anything in it. Anyway, so here we go. Let's see what it looks like, because I didn't even open it yet. I just opened the box. So let's take it out and see what it looks like. So this is the box it came in, right? Of course, it's not going to have anything on here that's going to tell the person that it is from the Louis Vuitton store. So no one can steal the box. Or would want to steal the box, I should say. Okay. This is all part of it. So this is it. Here is the little, I know this is the receipt that comes with. This is the receipt. Okay. This is the little slip if you want to return it. And this is the client receipt that I got. Okay. What is this? This is a little, like a little description of what Louis Vuitton is and the store. Since 1854, we have combined innovation with style and uncompromising quality to delight our clients. And I'm a teacher. But anyway, so this is that little thing in here. I love these little things. I like having little things, right? I swear, if they could have the wallet look like this, like a wallet for travel, actually, you think I'm joking. I should take my other ones and use this as my passport. Shut up. You heard it here first. You heard it here first. Yes, that's what I'm doing. I'm using this because why not? It's durable. I'll put my little pot. Our passports are going in here. There we go. That is so funny. Anyways, let's get to it. Open it up. Has this thing in here. It's not a gift. I bought this for myself. Well, it's a gift for myself, but so it has nothing in here because I didn't write anything to myself. But if this was a gift, this is where the little thank you or, you know, little sweet note that you want to give somebody would be. And this, you pull this here, and there we have our wallet and this nice little casing, which I will use this casing for something else as well. Everything is going to be used. This is like back in the day when we were really, really poor and all parts of the animal were eaten. Well, all parts of the Louis Vuitton package that I'm getting will be used. Okay. So this is a little dust bag. And here's the wallet. And I wanted the zip around. I didn't want the one that had the clasp. I wanted the zip around so I could close everything up. And so this wallet is the Louis Vuitton Clemence. If I'm saying it right, if I'm pronouncing it right, I will put it somewhere right here so you guys can see. And it's red inside, which I love. Zipper here to put your coins. And then I'll be able to put all my cards and stuff in here. And it has a little Louis Vuitton Paris thing in there. And there we have it. Very nice and simple, sleek and chic. This is what I wanted because let me show you guys what my wallet looks like right now. This is my wallet. This is the Marc Jacobs wallet. I got this in 23 when I got my tote. Now I wanted something just small so I could take and put in my, like this, right? When I'm going out real quick with my kids, I wanted something small I just throw in here. So I'm not gonna get rid of this, right? But I wanted this because although this could fit in here, when I'm going anywhere, having my cards like this ain't doing it. This ain't, sorry, this is Trini money. Trinidad money. But this, I cannot work like this. My brain don't work like that. So I am going to take pleasure in organizing all my cards, right? I have my Atlantic City Diamond Casino cards. It's my sisters and my brother-in-law. I don't gamble. Anyway, my PBA card for my sister-in-law. All my credit card, my debit card, my savings card, my insurance cards, all my cards is just bunched up like this in here. Like it's not organized for me. So I'm going to lay it out nicely in here. Okay. And when I'm done, I'll insert a picture of what my wallet inside of it looks like so you guys can see. But that's how I want it to look, nice and organized like the rest of my life. Do you know what it is for me to have my planners all organized, my house all organized, and then I go in my wallet and I have to take out something and I'm like, wait, hold on. Let me find the card. No, I can't do it no more. So this I will still use and I will keep for when I'm running somewhere with the kids. If I'm at the theme park or something, I'm not gonna use this. I'll need something really quick where it has what I just need for that date. But regularly, I need my stuff organized. So, as you guys can see, I'm so excited. It looks so pretty and it goes and it matches well with my bag, my Louis bag that I got last year, which is doing pretty well, I must say. I love it. My organizer is still great in it. So here we go. Here's the matching set. I'm so excited. So this is going to go in here. And again, I said I'll take a picture and put it in here if I remember of what it looks like. All my stuff inside. But you guys know what it will look like. And I paid $650 for this. This was $650 US. Plus tax. So it came out to like $705 I think. So yeah, here we go. If you guys enjoyed this quick little video, this quick little review, please remember to like, comment, subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'm always showing different things that I'm getting to make my life easier as a mom out here in NYC. Different things that I like, DIYs. I share about my health journey. If you're interested in lifestyle, girl talk, health, wealth, DIYs, subscribe to this channel and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, beauties.